Different elements are given in this question. We have to identify the one which is refined by the zone refining process. Zone refining is a method used to purify semiconductors and metals including silicon and germanium. In this process, a sample of the material is placed in a tube or rod and a localized heat source such as heated zone is moved along the length of the material. As the heat source moves, a small zone of material melts. Impurities in the melt are more soluble in the liquid phase than in the solid phase. As the melt moves and solidifies, impurities are left behind in the liquid phase which moves with the heat source. The process is repeated multiple times to increase the purity of the material. So from these options, the correct answer is option C because germanium is a semiconductor. Other options are incorrect because copper, zinc and tin cannot be refined by the zone refining process.